Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine and enjoying at home. I'm your teacher Saima Atif. I hope आप सब लोग घर पर रेस्ट भी कर रहे होंगे और साथ साथ स्टडीज भी कर रहे होंगे. All of you should watch your lessons carefully and repeat your work daily. जो भी आपको वर्क मिलता है उसको डेली फिनिश करें और डेली सारे लेटर्स की, हरूफ तहज्जी की और काउंटिंग की रिवीजन करें. We all have read about some letters. Let's repeat them. A, B, K, D, A, S, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Now let's see which are the next letters. This is Q. 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 Say with me. Q. This is Q. This is R. 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 This is R. 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 S. This is S. 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 This is S. Now it's your turn. Tell me, where is Q? Q. Yes, you all are right. This is Q. Q. Now tell me, where is R? Yes, this is R. Now tell me, where is S? S. Yes, this is S. Now let's see, which letter is this? Yes, this is Q. Now which letter is this? R. Yes, you all are right. This is R. Now tell me, which letter is this? S. Yes, you all are right. This is S. S. Q. R. S. Again, repeat with me. Q. R. S. Q. R. S. Q. Q. Now we will see which thing starts with Q. Q. Queen. Q. Queen. What is a queen? किंग की वाइफ को क्वीन कहते हैं. Queen. Whenever you think about something और आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता तो आप क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं ना? Question. Question also starts with question. Question. But question पूछने के लिए you always raise your hands. Quilt. Quilt. What is a quilt? Whenever you feel cold, आप सब quilt ओढ़ लेते हैं, just like this doll. Quilt. Quilt. Quill. जो birds के बड़े वाले feather होते हैं, they are called quill. और पुराने जमाने में quill से writing भी की जाती थी. इसको इंक में डिप करके इससे राइटिंग भी करते थे. Quill. Quill. It's a bird. Quill is a bird. और ये बहुत प्यारे सॉन्ग सिंग करती है. Quiz. Quiz is a game जिसमें आपसे बहुत से क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं और आप उनके आंसर्स करते हैं. Now let's join your hands and sing Ring a ring a roses with me.
Ring a roses, a pocket full of posies. Husha, busha, we all fall down. We all fall down. Ring a roses, a pocket full of posies. Husha, busha, we all fall down. We all fall down.
Did you enjoy the poem? Okay. Ring a roses start with the sound r. 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 Ring a roses starts with the sound r. Now let's see which things start with r. R. Ruler. R. Ruler. Ruler is a scale जिस पे कुछ points दिए होते हैं and you all can measure length and height with a ruler. और इससे क्या करते हैं? और ruler से हम lines भी draw करते हैं. Nowadays there are many fancy rulers available in the market. Ruler. Ruler. Rupee. This is rupee. This is a 10 rupee note. फ्रंट पे इसकी कायदे आज़म की पिक्चर है और बैक पर खैबर पास है. Rupee. Rupee. Rupee is Pakistani currency. Radio. Radio. Radio क्या होता है? Have you ever seen a radio? पुराने ज़माने में न्यूज़ सुनने के लिए या गाने सुनने के लिए रेडियो यूज़ होता था. Nowadays, radio is rarely available because आजकल हमारे पास वाईफाई है, हमारे पास लाइव चैनल्स अवेलेबल हैं. That's why बहुत कम लोग रेडियो सुनते हैं. बट स्टिल जहाँ पे वाईफाई के या मोबाइल्स के सिग्नल्स नहीं आते, रेडियो के सिग्नल्स अभी भी मौजूद होते हैं. और आपको पता है रेडियो सबसे पहले किसने इन्वेंट किया था? मार्कोनी ने. इट्स अ रेडियो. 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 Rat. A big rat. आपके हाउस में आता है कभी रैट? और हाउस को गंदा कर देता है और हम इसको भगा देते हैं. Rat. Rabbit. Rabbit. A running rabbit. बहुत फास्ट रन करता है. Rabbit always runs very fast. Rose. Rose. All the flowers are beautiful, but rose is the most beautiful flower. Rose. Rose. Now let's see how to write letter Q. Go to the upper grass line and make a semicircle. Then go to the upper grass line again and make a line all the way to the root line and make a small T. Qu. R. Now let's see how to write R. Go to the upper grass line and make a small line within the grass lines. Then make a small round. R. Now open your books on page 28 and read the vocabulary of Q and R with me. Q, quilt. Q, quilt. Q, queen. Q, quill. Q, quiz. Q, coil. Q, question. Now underline the starting sounds of these pictures. Q, quilt. Q, queen. Q, quill. Q, quiz. Q, coil. Q, question. Now let's read the vocabulary of R. 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 Rat. R. Ruler. R. Rabbit. R. Radio. R. Rupee. R. Rupee. R. Rose. Now underline the starting sounds of these pictures. R. Rat. R. Ruler. R. Rabbit. R. Radio. R. Rupee. R. Rose. So now you all know the vocabulary of qu and r. Now open page number 29. Trace all qu and write them independently on the second line. Then all will circle all qu. Is it qu? No. Is it qu? Yes. It's already circled. Is it qu? No. Is it? No. So you will not circle them. You all will circle only qu. Okay, find out all the qu and circle them. Now let's trace r and write on the second line independently within the grass lines. And write r. What is this? Rabbit. Does it start with r? Yes. R, rabbit. So all of you will write r in the block. What is this? It's a sack. Does it start with r? R, sack? No. It is not starting with r. So you will not write r here. What is this? It's a radio. Does it start with r? Yes. So you all will write r here. Now color the picture starting with qu. Does queen start with qu or radio? Qu queen, qu radio. Yes, queen starts with qu. So you all will color the queen nicely. You can use any color you want. Now let's circle the beginning sound of rat. 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 What is the starting sound? R, p, a. What is the starting sound of rat? R. Good. You can make a coil with paper plates. Coil with paper plates. You can make rabbit with r. And you can also make a racing track with r. Paste or draw pictures starting with qu on a chart paper. You can draw or paste picture on a chart paper. You can also paste or draw pictures starting with r on a chart paper and send me the pictures. It's homework time. Learn vocabulary of qu and r on page number 28 of Oxford Modern English. And trace and write letter qu and r on page number 29 of Oxford Modern English. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। फ़ी हिफ्ज़िल्लाह, फ़ी अमानिल्लाह। अल्लाह ताला आप सबको अपने हिफ्ज़-ओ-अमान में रखे। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।